Welcome to this tutorial on how to ride an electric scooter. Before we start, make sure you have all the necessary safety gear, such as a helmet, knee and elbow pads, and wrist guards. It's also a good idea to have a friend nearby to assist you in case you need help. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Stand on the electric scooter with one foot, making sure to keep your balance. Step 2. Press the power button to turn on the scooter. Step 3. Slowly shift your weight onto the scooter, moving your other foot onto the platform. Step 4. Once both feet are on the scooter, use the throttle, usually located on the right handlebar, to control the speed. Step 5. To turn, use the handlebars to steer in the direction you want to go. Step 6. To stop, release the throttle and use the brake, usually located on the left handlebar, to bring the scooter to a stop. Step 7. Practice these basic movements in a safe, open area until you feel comfortable and confident on the electric scooter. And that's it. With some practice, you'll be a pro at riding an electric scooter in no time. Just remember to always wear your safety gear and be mindful of your surroundings. Thanks for watching, and happy scooter riding.